This is a 2013 Kia Sorento. Plenty of space for what you need. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include heated seats, a multi-link rear suspension, alloy wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 18,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile pays off in the long run. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.